Got a beautiful collection this morning. It is just pretty. Let me show them to you. And they all mix. They all go in or out. So it's hard for me to put one next to another because they all blend. I'll try to show you that in the presentation. This is a cotton poly. It's a stretch woven, and it is it's a blouse fabric. It's it's got a little bit of a sheen to it, or lining. It's so inexpensive that it really could work well as a lining too. It's just very pretty, and I say that because somebody bought it as a lining to go to this jacket. And this is viscose. It's a beautiful 100% viscose. The texture is just lovely. It's got all different colors in it. It's cream and like a little light touch of olive. So that's why I brought the olive in, and you can see it next to the olive. It's very, very pretty. But it would just be great for a little jacket, skirt. And then this is a linen. You can see that blends just beautifully together with it. 100% linen. I've been grabbing it just so you can see if it passes your wrinkle test, but you can always fuse it. Fusing really helps the wrinkling, and linen is just a beautiful fabric. And again, it goes all the way across the board with everything. Then this is a beautiful print that ties in. This is 100% viscose from Italy. It just ties in beautifully with the cream. It goes beautiful with the olive. Just a really pretty print. And perfect for spring. 623 Sam's blouse comes to mind immediately, but there's just several. They're very, very pretty. This is an olive green. Like I said, you can see it comes in across the whole girt pretty much. It's a cotton poly. It's a stretch woven. Stretch in one direction. I said that, but I'm pretty sure there's a little bit of stretch in both directions, but mainly one-way stretch. And I just love this. This would work great for a pair of pants. It would work well for a little jacket if you wanted to do a little jean jacket, and then look at that stripe that goes with. Isn't that pretty? This is 100% cotton. A beautiful piece of fabric, and you can see they just go really well together. This is a little more white. This is more cream. I wouldn't put those two together, but this and the olive is just really beautiful together. All right, so the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.